This is the Hemp Protein Bar by the brand Evo Hemp. I got the flavor Mocha Chip. They have a few different flavors, so this one has a little bit of coffee in it. And they claim to have 7 to 10, made with 7 to 10 ingredients. Evo Hemp bars provide 3 to 4 hours of energy without sugars, fillers, oils, or sulfates. Now, I'm not really sure how healthy monk fruit extract and erythritol are compared to other sugars, like regular refined sugar, honey, and even coconut sugar. And I also am not sure how healthy inulin fiber and pea fiber are. Those to me kind of sound like filler ingredients, but they do add fiber to this, which make it a little bit more filling and round out the amount of sugar. This definitely tasted sweet, like a Butterfinger. At first, I expected it to taste like an RX bar, but it was actually not hard at all, and it was kind of like the texture of a Butterfinger, and it had a little bit of a peanut butter flavor. It did have a slight odd taste to it, which I think was from the hemp protein, but at first bite, I didn't taste anything weird. But after I ate some other food and then I ate this as like a little bit of a dessert, it did taste a little bit more strange, I should say, but it was still really good, and I ended up eating the whole thing in small bites at a time. But yeah, I would say I enjoyed it, but I wouldn't buy this compared to other protein bars that are on the market. Okay, so I also got Bubba's Fine Foods Kettle Cooked Nana Chips. So these sound really good. These are Grand Garlic Parmesan flavored banana chips that taste like potato chips, supposedly. So the ingredients are really great. Green Saba bananas, coconut oil, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, nutritional yeast is what makes it taste like Parmesan, sea salt, garlic, onion, basil, oregano, rosemary, and black pepper. So these are actually really wholesome, I would say. They're made with nutrient-dense ingredients, and they have no added sugar. These are Flat House shortbread cookies. I don't know if it's Flat House, or I think it's Flat House. Shortbread cookies, a little snap of sweetness. These are in the flavor all natural shortbread. I've gotten these in the lime flavor before, and I didn't really like the lime flavor, but these are really good. So they're made with just simple wheat flour, butter, sugar, and salt, and they taste exactly like that. They taste very pure, and they are definitely delicious, and they're not too sweet, so they're a nice little sweet snack. And they come in this foil packet, which is like really compressed into this little box. So I was really excited about this product because nutritional yeast is very nutritious. So this is by the brand Foods Alive Nutritional Yeast Superfood. This is a vegan cheese substitute, and what I like about this one is that it's just dried yeast. There's no added ingredients. So all of these vitamins and minerals are natural. There's no added B12 or vitamin B6 like in the other nutritional yeast that I've tried. So this is the Aqua Biome fish oil. So this is the world's first omega blend designed for a healthy microbiome, classic strength. And I would just like to point out the most adorable packaging. So I haven't tried this one yet, so I'm just going to talk about the packaging. I love the fonts and how they work together, and the side is like very beautiful and colorful, and it gives you a lot of useful information. And then just when you think that this will not be getting any cooler, you open it up. Let me show you. Open it up and pow! Look at how vibrant that looks, especially on the camera. It is so pretty. I can't even tell if that's like the ocean or flowers or both, but it is so pretty. And it says you are one step closer to vibrant health. So get it because this is super vibrant. And this is the bottle. It comes in the blue bottle to prevent the sunlight from getting in. And there's 22 soft gels in here, 1,200 milligrams per serving of omega-3s. And it has 3 different kinds, DPA, EPA, and DHA in the ratios that we are supposed to have them in. And fish oil is just really good for you in all respects. It's supposed to be good for the brain, the heart, immunity, skin, and joints. And if you can't get it from eating a lot of natural fish, then fish oil is a really good way to get it. And it's also good to buy it from a brand that is safe on reefs. This one is reef safe. So this is another product that I got. This is a cucumber beverage by the brand, I'm guessing, Dry Sparkling. This is the cucumber flavor. It is naturally flavored with other natural flavors, which is definitely skeptical. Let's open this and tried it, and it actually didn't make my eyes water like fizzy drinks normally do the first time I sip them. And it smells like the Bath & Body Works cucumber melon stuff without the soaping factor, but it smells really good and tastes lighter than it smells. Yeah, but it's definitely it smells delicious and is very fruity. Okay, so that's pretty pleasant. Okay, so I got 2 more items, and these ones are not food related. So the second to last item is the Naturalia Heel Balm. So this is a third product that I've gotten from Naturalia, and so far this has been my favorite. This one is for rough, dry feet. You're supposed to get results in 3 days, and it's clinically proven. So they claim to be non-greasy, and I will agree that one thing that I look for in lotion is for it to be non-greasy but moisturizing. This one is non-greasy and moisturizing, so it meets both of my criteria for a good lotion, and the ingredients aren't bad either. It's fragrance free, so I would use this as a hand lotion and a heel balm. And it's also a very nice size, so that's another thing that I love about DailyGoodieBox. They give really good sized items that are usually very natural from brands that you probably have not heard of, so you get to try new things. Okay, then the last few items are these facial sunscreens. So this is from the brand Solar Derm. This is an after sun facial moisturizer with green tea and oat. It is supposed to calm, refresh, and hydrate. And this doesn't have the ingredients on it, but it says that it's oil-free and free of fragrances, dyes, parabens, and petroleum. Petroleum. Probably doesn't have petroleum either. So these are cute little samples that are easy to try for after going to the water park in the summer. So that was everything that I got in this box, along with some coupons like they normally send. And thanks for watching. If you'd like to check out my other goodie box unboxings or any of my DIY videos, you can just click on my channel and go ahead and watch those if you're interested. So thanks for watching. Bye.